catching everything I see. But this rocky road's got stories to tell, and one was meant for me. Cruising down the pavement smooth, feeling like a king. Got my eye on the horizon, yeah, it's a brand new thing. But oh, that drone went awry, caught the wind just right. Down it crashed on the shopping roof, things went out of sight. I got the scooter blues, running wild in the night. But I lost my little drone up high, babe, what a sight. Had to climb up to that rooftop, a real race against time. But I'm singing those scooter blues, oh Lord, what a climb. Familiar place, climbing up the ladder, pushing through the fear. Thought of all the footage kept me moving near, but I slipped on that last run. Oh, what a deadly fall. Spiraled back down, thought I'd lose it all. I got the scooter blues, running wild in the night. But I popped up pretty quick, oh, I still got a ride. Got my drone, down home, but the streets are laughing loud with every bell I roll. Christine, oh darling, she patched up my pain. Band-aids on my cuts, love flows like rain, with as I tell the tale of drones and scooters, and how I barely fail. Now I sit back in my chair with a cold drink in hand,
becoming quite popular there.
Thinking about the ride and how I took my stand.
Oh, here on the fast
a risky business, so can't lose my groove. But I'll keep on riding with those scooter blues smooth.
Yeah, I put my foot down and there's nothing underneath me. I was just coming out of the corner, I was going to stop. I put my foot down to get off, and there was no footpath underneath me. So I'm okay, thank you.
Sunset again on a brand new day, with Christine by my side. Yeah, we'll take on the night, playing that scooter blues song till it feels just right.